May nagkatulad sa batch
Victor.
niya, si
See, that
Joy Santiago.
is the statue of Victor, which stands for victory. This is Litton Mills. Litton Mills area before.
Hindi, yung lalaki.
Ayan o, mga Litton Mills production chemist. Rope dyeing. Kulang ba tayo?
Sa'yo lang.
Sa YouTube, sa ano? Facebook. Yan, dito kami sa Litton Mills dati area. Yan, laki. Sobrang laki. See.
Sabi tayo black.
Kaya kung nalaman naman to eh.
Yan, Bridgetown. Now it's Bridgetown.
Yung pala dyan ang...
Before it's Litton Mills and URC.
Oo, yung may URC.
Dyan na
Yung may
lahat.
URC. 7-2, yung harap niya, Giga.